Hi, it's Chris with Swazy, Alexander and Greensphere, and I learned something interesting that I wanted to share. So, if you'll notice, right down here by this little patio, I've got a strip of grass that just doesn't want to grow in. I've tried many times since I put this little patio in, and just can't seem to get the grass to grow. I keep blaming this guy and the kids. But I just seeded it the other day and found out something very interesting. So I've also got a lot of ant hills in this area of my yard. And right after I seeded it, I noticed those ant hills were covered in all my grass seed. So I was picking it up, put it back on the bare spots, and then the ants would take it back. So I researched it, and ants eat grass seed. I guess I never really thought about it. But the reason why I can't get grass to grow here is because of the ants. So if I don't take care of my ant problem, I'm not gonna get my grass to grow here. So, learned something interesting today. So what's my go-to gonna be? Cedar oil. We use it for everything. Cedar oil is labeled for ants as a deterrent. We've never tried it because we don't typically treat ants, but I'm gonna try to treat these ant hills, see if it will, one, deter the ants, or two, kill them, and then I can reseed this little tiny strip of grass along this patio and try to get it growing. So, hopefully you learned something. If you did, like the video, subscribe to us, leave any comments below, and look forward to talking to you again soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.